Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So I make up videos about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21, but now the new rumors and leakers says about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21 says the Snapdragon 875 in the Galaxy S21 they benchmark it, but the Exynos 2100 might be the one to have. Samsung is expected to introduce its Galaxy S21 lineup in January, and usually the phones will arrive with Snapdragon 875 or Exynos 2100 chipset. Depending on the market, the variant with a Qualcomm platform appeared on a Geekbench and reached 3319 multi-core score, as you can see on your screen, but according to the Lake Star, this is not nearly enough. The Exynos 2100 version will be able to reach nearly 4000 multi-score. As you can see, this is the Geekbench Samsung Galaxy S21 phone result. The single core is 1120 score. Over the past a few years, the Snapdragon variant for the Samsung Galaxy S flagship available in China, South Korea, and the US offered better power management, which leads some users of the global Exynos variant frustrated. However, according to the reliable Leakstar Ice Universe, it will be different this time, with the Exynos 2100 CPU outperforming the Snapdragon 875 processor across the board. The two chipsets will have identical CPU architecture, but the Prime X1 core will reach 2.91 GHz in the Exynos 2100 while staying at 2.84 GHz in the SD875. The trio of Cortex A78 units will differ even more significantly: 2.81 GHz versus 2.42 GHz. The four power efficient Cortex A55 cores will reach 1.8 GHz in the Snapdragon 875 versus 2.21 GHz in the Exynos. He says that will help push the multi-score for the Samsung chipset to 4000 points. Of course, that only part of the chipset with the GPU yet to be detailed, along with the features such as a video encoding and decoding capability. Most importantly, we are yet to see how they perform in real life, as a poor heat management can easily overshadow higher performance potential. We will know for sure in 2 months' time. So this is the latest news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21 of the Snapdragon 875 or Exynos 2100 chipset. Let me know in the comment section what your thought in your mind about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out and bye.